Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. I am Abuzar Ghafari Dar, student of MS Chemistry, Department of Chemistry, University of Management and Technology, Sialkot campus. My today's topic of presentation is Energy Management System in Intelligent Manufacturing. So, first of all, let me introduce to what is energy management system. Energy management systems are essential for optimizing energy consumption in manufacturing facilities, leading to cost saving, improved efficiency, and reduced environmental impacts. And now, what's the importance of energy efficiency in modern manufacturing? Here, I would like to address some of the points. Number one is reduced operating costs, means energy efficiency will lower energy bills and increase profitability and a competitive edge. Second, role of energy efficiency is in enhanced sustainability, means it will minimize environmental impact through reduced emission and resource consumption. Another impact of energy efficiency is improved productivity. So energy efficiency will also help us in regulatory compliance, means it will help us in meeting environmental regulation and standards, avoiding penalties. So what are the important key components of an energy management system? First of all is data acquisition, next is data processing and analysis, and last one is control and optimization. In data acquisition, sensors and meters collect real-time energy consumption data from various equipment and processes. In data processing and analysis, software analyzes energy consumption patterns, identifying areas for improvement and optimization. And in control and optimization, the system adjusts equipment settings and process parameters to minimize energy wastage. And now, our next slide is data collection and monitoring in energy management. So here we use sensors and meters which will collect energy consumption data from equipment and processes. We also employ data logging and storage. It will record and store historical energy usage for analysis and trend identification. And there is also remote monitoring, which means an access real-time energy consumption data remotely, allowing for proactive management. And in predictive maintenance and energy optimization, we use data analytics to anticipate equipment failures and schedule maintenance before they occur. In reduced downtime, it will help in minimizing production disruptions and ensuring consistent energy consumption. In optimized energy use, will help proactively addressing potential energy leaks and inefficiencies through early maintenance. Integration with manufacturing execution system. In integration, we use real-time data integration in integrating EMS data with manufacturing execution system for comprehensive process visibility. And in performance reporting, we generate reports on energy consumption and production efficiency, highlighting areas of improvement. In production optimization, we use energy consumption data to optimize production schedules and minimize energy wastage. And next slide is renewable energy integration and microgrids. So we use solar power and solar panels to generate clean energy and offset grid electricity consumption. In wind power, we integrate wind turbines to harness wind energy and contribute to the factory's energy needs. Next is regulatory compliances and sustainability goals. So in environmental regulation, it will help us in meeting environmental regulation and standards related to energy consumption and emissions. Sustainability initiatives, implementing initiative to reduce environmental footprints and achieve sustainability goals. In industry recognition, it will help us in recognizing achievement in energy efficiency and sustainability through industry awards and certifications. And at the end of this presentation, I would like to have case studies and real world implementation of our topic, that is energy consumption. So this will help us to explore real world case studies showcasing the successful implementation of energy management system in intelligent manufacturing facilities, demonstrating the benefits and practical application of this technology. Thank you.